Okay,
here.
so
This is the handle. Right there. And in the back, there's that golden plug that you're going to have to pull at the bottom. It's at the bottom, Mommy.
is it?
Yeah. See? It says at bottom.
Okay. That's gonna be so much fun.
Then you can. I would need you to guys open the blind bags.
Oh, okay.
There's blind bag in here.
Blind bags? What is that?
See? Blind bag.
Oh,
Blind bag.
okay.
Don't blind bag.
Okay. Well, let's go get your siblings to help.
Okay. So, I got connect my channel before the server. Animal Kitchen, give me a huge thumb up. Mommy, I did this. Hope that somebody give us a huge thumbs up. Dear my friends, I'm doing another YouTube channel. I love Unicorny. This is the, see? It's a, look what it
Hey, you're not
says.
supposed to be starting yet.
Mommy,
What'd you say?
I just started. Hi.
To them.
Eh.
To them.
Eh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys. I already did this.
No, not while they were listening.
No, I said, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. I just said that word.
Good job. Okay.
Mm.
Open it up.
Mm. Is that all of it?
There's no tape there yet.
I just realized if you can rip it.
Rip it up.
Ooh, pretty. Ooh la la.
Okay.
These are the wings. I just realized. These are the wings.
Pretty.
These are the wings.
It's where
Head
the-
opens. Pull its head.
That doesn't open. Okay, what do you do with it then?
I don't know.
I don't know. I thought you said
Danny,
something about a
stop.
plug.
Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh yeah, that.
Oh, but it has tape on it.
Okay, take the tape off.
No, I can't. I don't want to break it.
No, you don't pull that out. What do you do?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Pull it and then I think you just open. Yep. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness.
So much.
Wait, so everybody.
Yeah.
Oh,
fun
that's
glitter.
fun.
Go fast.
All right.
Now
Well,
you're confetti
um,
everywhere.
That's one way to do it.
One more stock. Trampoline. Ooh, what's this?
Let me see.
I don't know.
Danny, do you need help opening these?
It's paper, that's what it is.
Here, Danny. Open these.
No, she has to find them
No
all first.
rainbow.
I suppose.
No rainbow.
Oh, Danny, I found another one.
Oh, here. She can't get that, Johnny.
There's a unicorn and stuff.
Open blind boy. Mommy, I'm really.
Get your cast out of here. children to get these things out of here.
Alright, that's something stuck.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff back there.
I'm pretty sure the head can open.
No, it can't.
No, it can't. I'm pretty sure this is the teeter-totter.
There we go.
I know where this goes. You said it this way.
Okay, they could have made this a little bit cleaner. Like, not tissue paper. Because it just sticks to everything.
Okay, I think maybe we've
Mom,
got
they
it.
put breathing holes.
So that I can carry this one. It has a
Mom, they put breathing holes.
Oh, well that's, whoops. What does he do? Oh goodness. So many pieces.
I found marker ready.
That just hangs on it. Okay.
No.
Like,
This is above my pay grade. What is it supposed to do? Like this looks like it's just a teeter-totter. What do these things
Yeah.
have to do with it?
that's not great. It can open?
Yeah. Yeah, Jenny. Okay, start opening these. We'll figure out what these.
Oh! Let me put, I think this can open.
Danny, let's sit back down.
Let me look. I can put it in the water. Take out all that stuff. Get out.
Here.
Start opening these.
No, I don't want these things. This is the bouncy pusher. Don't put these things in the water. Oh, I guess.
Jenny, start opening your blankets. We'll
And
play with the confetti in a moment.
Yeah, Danny. Open this. Open them all up and show them. Okay.
good job.
Just sit back down. Kneel so that, yeah, there you go.
It's a person. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be that black girl.
Show them.
Polly.
Is it Polly?
Yeah, it's Polly. I'm pretty
There
sure.
she is.
And then there's gonna be Polly then. Let me open this.
What's in this one?
Oh, I figured it out.
Oh, what are these, Mama?
This should be over here showing.
I have to set it up.
Oh, I know, but that's part of the process.
Well, I have to figure out how to.
What are these?
I think skirts.
Oh yeah, they are.
Yeah.
See the little curve?
We're big fancy twirly skirts.
Mommy, Molly gets the purple skirt.
I would think probably with the pink skirt, but okay.
No, purple's Danny's favorite thing.
I love Molly.
May I see one of the dolls after?
Yeah.
You'll see.
Is it a bunny something?
No.
Mommy, help.
No, they got the tab off.
Mommy, yo.
I got three. Oh, he's stuck.
Well, because didn't open it.
Now he can have the pink dress.
Yeah, see? That would match.
Look,
'cause
that's
she
a
has
little
pink
redhead
shirt.
like you. Oh, it fell down.
Oh.
Carry camera over there.
Here.
Look, it just for her head.
Sure it does. What else do you have?
I got this. I wonder what it like.
What the heck? These things are like rubber.
What's this?
What is that?
It's a ring. It's a ring. My
Show them.
own.
Your own ring.
Yeah. And I don't know what this is, Mommy. What is this?
Let me see
This
color.
one.
job. Yes.
This is the very smallest kind I've ever seen. Huh. It's another human. Oh, wait, I already have one of these. It's the tree. It's the tree.
What's that? Like a, wait, oh, it's got like a unicorn
It's a
headband.
headband. Put you in there.
Let's put the headband on this one.
Okay. Now let's open another one.
There's still some. Oh, you didn't open this one.
What is this?
The
Oh,
headband
they're
does
the
not fit.
seeds. They're the
Maybe.
swings.
It goes on something else. I don't know.
Probably like this.
Whoa.
I don't think you were supposed to just do that.
What did you do?
I don't know, just slammed it down or something. I don't know.
Dory. Look. Ooh, Betty's. Betty. But one does sleep. You should go to sleep.
More pieces of confusion.
This is the bed.
Now let's leave her to sleep and you keep opening those.
He's tired. I'm being awake. Wait, this is the smallest thing I ever
Smallest thing ever.
Like, I can't even open it, Mommy. Like, see? You can never open that.
I hate you really good opening it.
Okay.
There's just more stuff in there.
Oh, what's this, Mommy? It's a birthday thingy. Oh, what? Oh, a crown. What's this? What are all these?
Like
things?
rattles
Then
or lollipops.
this, I'm pretty sure, is the white rattle, and these are the balloons. Hey, what are you doing?
Stuff.
No, don't put that on.
Okay, don't worry. Open these ones too. Put it together after so she can see where things go.
Fine. That's gonna be hard and I don't want to do it.
So otherwise it'll all just fall out. And if you don't want her to call you for help, nonsense. 2 unicorns?
A purple and a pink one.
Beautiful.
This one's a unicorn, and I don't know this guy. He has lots of wings. Is this a dragon or a puppy?
Maybe you some
Dragon.
kind of dragon?
Oh,
Why Polly has dragons? Didn't know that was a thing.
I don't know why Polly has a lot of confetti either.
Because it's party man.
Okay. I'll just put this confetti.
What is Halloween? Wait, I just know something. This. How does this get on? How does this get on here? How did that get on there? Give me Polly in the door. Give me
Polly's in this.
what? Why is she in
That's
the
his necklace.
I don't know how it hooks onto something. Cool.
I think it goes like that. Hi, Polly.
Yep, there's Polly in there.
Polly's in here, Mommy.
I don't know who this is, but it looks like Danica. It's a little redhead too.
No, I got blonde hair, Mommy.
What?
I got blonde hair.
Blonde hair?
Yeah, blonde hair. Blonde.
She got blonde
Are
hair.
you sure? Yeah.
Mama, she got blonde hair. Blonde hair, green eyes.
Maybe we have a different version of blonde.
Good. I'm kind of gonna do another one.
Let's look at how the rest of these things go together.
I need this one.
I know, I'm trying to get out all the things.
Okay, but yeah, she was taking all the confettis out.
They're like stuck in places as well.
This is the lake.
Okay, well, we're going to say that most of them are out.
That looks like a swing. Okay.
Let me put Polly in this one.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where's Jenny? This thing?
Dude,
So far. Jenny.
Danny.
Pay attention. This thing, maybe never take off, because I don't know. Come on. There we go.
Oh, it won't go
There.
on. She won't go on the
So
swing,
little.
Mommy. She
Clouds
can't sit
that I
down
can
on the swing. She can't sit on the swing.
I'm seeing this girl.
What's this?
It's the lock.
There you go.
Oh.
Jenny.
Oh.
She gonna go flying,
Oh,
Danny.
look
Watch.
at Molly. You can stand.
Yeah.
You have to do that some other way.
I don't think she lays down on the trampoline, okay?
Yes, she lays
She
flat down.
stands. And you jump. She's not supposed to go flying. Trampolines aren't supposed to fly you out of them.
Yeah, they are.
Bye. Now she's on her head.
Okay. And
Okay,
then-
what next? She's going back to bed.
Okay, well, now that this is down, we'll just put this here.
Hey, Molly.
We're naming her Molly. Molly and Polly.
Molly and Polly.
But how it close?
I guess it doesn't. With the rainbow on.
Yeah, it doesn't with the rainbow on. This is spin, thank you.
Mommy, let's put it all together.
Which does it look like we're doing?
Stay
You
down.
need to go.
And then instead of the unicorn, you
Where does the swing go?
could also just have.
She loves the swing. Wee.
Why?
Mommy,
what do those
look how
things do?
fast she can
They're
go.
just swimming things, so like they're like floaters.
Oh.
Mommy,
I
look
believe
how
that's where it
fast she loves
Okay.
the swing.
Whoa! Oh goodness. You knocked her swing right over.
Who's the teeter totter?
Right in front of you.
Right in front of me. That is so good.
I bet she
Teeter
would
totters.
want to go on the teeter-totter, and Molly would love to. Hey, how do I get Molly? Molly.
Give the confetti out of her.
Molly.
Molly's stuck in her ceiling.
Oh,
She brought a confetti up.
Okay, you're gonna take this off. It's just easier to take this on and off.
Mommy, could you put them on the teeter-totter?
Give
There's
this back.
two.
Nope. I don't think stay on.
Ah.
Peter. Totter.
Mommy, look, it's a spinning one actually.
It is.
It's a spinning.
It'll stop. It'll spin less once the swing's on too.
Swing.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Yeah, and move back and forth a bit.
This.
Seesaw. What?
You gotta duck. Get down. Nobody can see you.
Oh,
Oh, they're squished.
I think we should put
Oh, dang.
them
Mom.
in here.
Molly's down.
I squished Polly, not Molly. Polly and Molly, maybe you should come out. Like how?
She
I
was-
want them in here.
Okay.
Can somebody put them in here?
This goes back and forth. That's fine.
Purple. Let me get the babies.
Babies.
These are the babies. See, Mommy? They're so little.
Aw.
I bet they can color change.
That does what?
I don't know. Just has it opens.
It holds on to all the accessories.
Yeah. That's a good spot for them.
I don't think they all fit.
No. Let's just put it in
No,
here.
don't. The carriage.
Maybe just the little ones.
She just put the animals in.
And then, like,
The animals should go in the animal home,
Oh yeah, put the animals in the animal home. That's
also known
smart.
as barns or stables or things. But you know,
I want
Animal home.
No, they can't fit. they can't all fit, Mommy.
Why?
No.
Well, I think the horses at least can fit in the stable.
No,
Maybe the.
the big guy needs a home.
Well, just
You can chill in the head. You can go in the head. It's like a cave for him.
do you want him to be in the head in a cave?
No,
No,
he can't fit. How about in here?
he's chilling on top of the stable.
Nice.
No, how about in here in a bed?
I'm taking a nap.
How about he be like?
Here.
How about he would? We just
What happens if the unicorn's gone? Yeah.
do
Wait,
it.
are they hollow? No. Okay, good. They will fall down.
No, he
And then the
can't.
dragon can go in there. And now the unicorns are guarding. I'm so good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mommy.
just sit down.
What is?
Okay. I think
This spinning slide thing.
I'm
No.
putting.
So you have to take it all apart to close it up, eh? Or can this?
No. You have to take it all apart. So that's gonna be annoying for her.
That's good.
But just do.
Mommy, I gotta swing it here. I can just swing it around. Mommy,
It does nothing.
There's nothing.
I'm putting this.
Absolutely nothing.
Mommy, can I close it? Mommy, I want to put this on the sky, Mommy. Could you guys lift it up so that I can put my necklace on him? You want it? Yep. We need to fix him. Mommy, I just need to go grab Toby. These are all the blind legs.
Mom, in order to clean the dolls, you have to use tape.
To clean it all?
Yeah. Because if like dirt and dust and stuff, they'll lose their stickiness. So they use tape to get the dirt and stuff off. That's what it is.
Are you all done opening it?
Oh no.
Tape.
I'm gonna play with it.
Okay, but if you're taking it, you gotta say goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Get down.
Thanks for watching.
No, get down where they can see you and say it again.
Then sit.
No, I want
Say it then.
Mommy to do it.
Then.
I'm the
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
good girl.
Mm.
You missed.
You missed my zero.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Owie.